will be a lucky one if you're able to get even a single unit in this new launch. It comes by a government developer with the most flexible payment plan of paying only 10% down, and in the best location close to everything, especially next to the metro station. This developer projects are so high in demand that they get sold out on the launch date itself. Hence, it's extremely challenging to get a single unit in this project. Hi everyone, myself Chelsea Kukreja, your Dubai real estate expert, and in today's video, I am bringing to you a very affordable project by a government developer. Checks everything that you're looking for in Dubai. The best location next to metro station, close to everything around, in a proper community, not just a standalone tower, and with a flexible payment plan where you don't have to pay 20% down payment but only 10%. This project is just 30 minutes to the downtown Dubai, 40 minutes to existing Dubai airport, 20 minutes to upcoming Palm Jabal Ali, and just 20 minutes to upcoming Dubai International Maktoum Airport. So the project is called South Garden. It is by Wasal Properties, and they have already launched the first phase of this community where they launched building A, B and C, and now they're coming up with building D and E. This property has close proximity to many of the things you need in your day-to-day life, from malls, supermarkets, schools, parks, kids play area, metro, and a lot more. So let's see what this builder has developed in the past. So they are the largest landlord in all of Dubai and have been in the market for more than 15 years. They have delivered 56,000 plus units, 1,000 plus buildings, 8 golf courses, 35 hotel and apartments, 4 freehold master developments, and have developed over 400 million square feet of land. If you look at their extensive portfolio, this is where they're all present. You look at the locations in Dera, 372 buildings, Mushrif, Bardubai, Russell Khor, Jumeirah, Zabil, and Jabal Ali. So these are all where they have delivered and how many units. Now let's understand the importance of this location, what's in your neighborhood, and what to expect in the future in terms of connectivity. Now let's see the location on the map. So this is your existing Dubai International Airport. Right here is your Burj Khalifa in downtown. Moving down towards Dubai South, this is the upcoming Dubai International Airport where government is spending billions on the infrastructure. This is the upcoming Palm Jabal Ali, twice the size of Palm Jumeirah, and will have 80 plus resorts and a lot of land for beachfront. So now if we zoom in here, and I'll take you to the exact plot. This is your Emirates Hills. That's your Palm Jabal Ali industrial area. Just here, it's right next to all of the developed areas, plus next to the running Sheikh Zayed Road. So this community is attached to Sheikh Zayed Road, and you already have existing metro station, which is the Energy Metro. It's already running. We're not talking about any future metro stations coming in. Just next to it, this is the exact plot. That's your metro station. This is the plot for the latest launch of these two buildings. The entire area is called the Wasal Gate. Already has many villas and townhouses delivered here. Now let's see the importance. First one, of course, being Etihad rail connectivity. It is going to pass through this location. Second, Energy Metro station is going to be right next. Third, you have Gurdwara, the Hindu temple. Again, these are the only two in all of Dubai. If anybody wants to go to a Gurdwara or temple, they have to come to this area. And you have a church here. So all three exactly in one place, and which is just minutes away from this location. Plus you have the Festival Plaza. You have IKEA right here. So there are only two IKEAs in Dubai, one here and one next to the Festival City. So if you see, right here is going to be the plot location. You're minutes away from the Palm Jabal Ali. You're minutes away from the Expo City where many exhibitions are going to take place every day and will entertain thousands of visitors. So even if you're buying for a long-term rental perspective, it's going to be very good. Plus it's a family community. So even if you're looking for your end use for your own family, it's still a very good investment. Plus you're getting good sizes, good prices, best payment plan, and a government builder. So it adds all of it to it. It is very good for short-term rentals also, purely because it's next to the metro station, so anybody can take the metro and reach to all of the tourist spots. And very good even if you're taking smaller units for bachelors who will be traveling by metro and going to their offices. Plus you are minutes away from the Javza, where more than 100,000 people are already employed, are working and are traveling. And this is an industrial area which means that there are no good accommodations. Plus on this patch, again, it's almost an industrial area. Plus this is going to be a port. So for all the people who are working in Javza, this is going to be a perfect location. So this time they're launching these two buildings, building D and E, with limited number of units. You have 2 basements, ground level and 12 floors up, with a configuration of studios, studios, 1 beds, 2 beds and 3 bed units. There's going to be a big park and a lot of greenery just in front of the building. You have adult pool, kids play area and a lot of other walking spaces and sitting spaces. So this is a sample apartment in one of their projects, so you can just have an idea of the quality and the finishing that they use and the kind of kitchens, fittings, everything. You will not have the same layout, it keeps changing, but this is just to show the kind of apartments they make and the layouts they give. So this is the type of bedroom, comes with attached cupboards. So in most of their units you have an extra storage room. That's a washroom. And this is the master bedroom with walk-in closet and attached washroom. Here you can see the starting price of studio is just 630,000. 1 bedroom 1,088,000, 2 bedroom 1.42 million, 3 bedroom with a maid's room starting at 2.44 million. And the sizes are also mentioned along. The payment plan is 60% during construction, 40% on handover, and it's a flexible payment plan with 10% installment every 6 months. So it's a standard plan, and down payment also you don't need the full 20%. It can be 10% now and 10% after 6 months. And the handover is going to be Q4 2028, so you have enough time to pay that 60%. Now let's understand the investment potential. I have taken an example of studio. You can estimate accordingly for all of the other units. So as we see today, we have to pay 10% down, and after every 6 months you have to pay another 10%. So you will be covering a total of 60% in the next 3.5 years because the completion is in 2028 Q4. Now if we compare the 60% which you pay out of a total amount of a studio, which is 700k, you end up paying 420,000 in the next 3.5 years. If today the same building was ready at that same location, it would fetch a minimum of 40,000 rental on a studio unit. Now, as per the government, the rent usually increases 10% every year. So after 3 years, the rent would be at 53,000 starting now. We are still talking 3.5 years, but let's say an example of 3 years, we are sitting at 53,000. Now your paid up capital at including everything is just 420k. So you're still at over a 10% ROI if you mortgage the remaining amount in that case. But if you pay the full amount, in that case also you'll be fetching a very good rent of over 7% on your total paid amount. Getting a unit in their launch is extremely challenging, but I will try my best to get you a good unit. I don't need any prior amounts from you in terms of tokens. All I need is your passport copy, visa copy and some more documents which I will ask over the WhatsApp. If you're looking for a unit, get in touch with me as soon as possible. If you are a first time home buyer in Dubai, you've not bought any other house, you have an advantage to get a priority access over the inventory and pick up the best units. So for you, the registrations would be on 24th of August this month, in just few days time. So make sure you hand over me your documents well beforehand, and on 25th the registrations open for everybody else. So make sure you get in touch with me as soon as possible if you want a unit in this outstanding product. If you are looking for bulk units of let's say 10 units and you're going to buy a mix of studios, 1 beds, 2 beds, 3 beds, that's when also you're getting a priority even before the first time buyers. You can make a very high capital appreciation on the 2 and 3 bedroom units, especially because of higher ticket size, and it's in a family community. I have already shown in the map what's around for families. Hence, if you're interested in 2 and 3 bedrooms, get yourselves registered on priority. To register, get in touch with me. My WhatsApp handle is given below, my Instagram and LinkedIn as well. Me or my team will get in touch with you and get you registered as soon as possible. So this is Chelsea Kukreja signing out from today's video. I hope you had enough insight onto this groundbreaking project in Dubai, and I hope I'm able to get you the best unit. For all real estate updates related to Dubai and Dubai real estate in general, stay tuned on all of my videos. I am coming up with a lot more content and of course a lot more good properties for investment purposes. If not this, you're looking for any other investment opportunity, again get in touch with me. I'll get you what is best suited for you. See you in the next video. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing.